What's up guys, it's Choosymk. Like you saw the title, this is gonna be a crazy video, but I did get it from Wolfie, so let me just like point that out first of all. But today we're gonna be going to McDonald's and we're gonna be ordering 100 chicken nuggets and I'm gonna see what they do. Right now it's about, what time is it? So it's about 9 o'clock. I think like they won't really be expecting this, so let's just see what happens. Alright, so it's super late. We got the boy Remy, Jessica, we got two Bens back there. And Jessica's actually gonna be doing another recording just in case like my hands get full, because there's gonna be a lot of freaking chicken nuggets. And obviously Adam's gonna help us at home, but we have a lot of people to help us eat this many nuggets because I can't really eat that many. I can. Jess could eat like a lot. Remy?
I'll eat like 50.
50. I don't know, but we'll see what the reaction is. They better give me at least more than one sauce.
I'm gonna go for 30. I'll go for Szechuan sauce.
Alright, 30? You're gonna go with 30? I'm gonna go for like 10 maybe. Maybe like, I could do 10. What about you?
I'm gonna throw up.
Everything else, we'll see. Alright, so we just got to McDonald's. We're all here, the whole gang is here. So it doesn't look too busy, so hopefully it won't be that much of a problem. We won't get like kicked out or anything, but let's just see. Alright, so we're about to order 100 chicken nuggets. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we'll be alright. I actually don't even see the 20 chicken McNuggets on their menu. So hopefully it'll work out. Hi, can I get 100 chicken McNuggets? 100? 100? Yeah, 100. For real? Should I make yeah. Okay, so they have to ask the manager if it's okay.
205. 205. Yeah. What?
Oh, barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. 15? Oh, okay. Can I get 10 barbecue? And then 5 sweet and sour?
Yeah, 100?
Yeah, 100 chicken nuggets.
27? Is it for like some YouTube type shit? Or?
Yeah.
Or what channel?
Yeah, okay. Oh my god, open.
I'll tell you.
27.
Let's see your flick real quick. Where do you want the...
Okay, thank you.
We'll see your Instagram. I'm asking the channel. 04.
Alright, this is probably gonna take a really long time to get these chicken nuggets because she had to ask the manager, so... Well, okay, thank you. Alright, so the manager said yes, we can order 100 chicken nuggets. They had to see how many nuggets they had. But basically how they did was they just put it in like 20 nuggets, so I got 5 20 nugget meals, so 100 nuggets. So let me go tell them. Here, come on. Because I'm sure it's gonna take a really long time. Alright guys. We got it. They had to ask the manager if it was okay. But we got the 100 nuggets. So now we're just gonna wait. Let's just wait. Alright, they just called my number. It's that time. Call 206? Thank you so much. Alright, we got it. Alright, so this is basically all chicken nuggets. This whole bag is chicken nuggets. Alright, we got it, guys. This whole bag. That whole bag is chicken nuggets. Alright, so we just got the nuggets, just got her food, and right now we're waiting for a taxi because like we don't want the nuggets to get cold by the time we get back to the apartment. So right now the guy's like, actually, guys, he's here. Oh yeah, the reason we got the taxi, point to this guy right here.
I'm like starving. Like children in Africa are jealous.
Don't put that on, don't put that on, don't put that on, don't put that on.
Alright. Wait, guys, get focus. Okay, wait. He's gonna be in, So I think, wait. So where is he gonna be? He's gonna be... Okay, I know where he's gonna be. Alright, come on. I think we have to cross the street.
Yeah.
I remember we went to go to Hamburg, but he's in the way.
Show how big this bag is. This is crazy.
Okay, we have to find him. We have to find him, guys. License plate T69. T69, guys.
How are we gonna find it?
I don't know.
Dude, I'm like slurring my speech. That's how hungry I am. Honda sedan.
Wait, is that him?
No.
I think that's him.
That's him. Yo. No.
Nah, he's waiting.
Okay, he's waiting right there. We got him. I don't know. Let's cross him now.
No! Down.
That's actually. Oh, wait, red light.
You guys. Yeah. All right, we got him. Good job. The guy's right here. Just like.
Let's just open the door and I'll say it is awesome.
Just going. Start recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here, I'll close the door for you. Watch out.
It smells actually pretty good.
Hi, Marshall?
Yeah. How are you?
Good, how are you? We just went to McDonald's and we ordered 100 chicken nuggets.
100? Obese.
You should get from Burger King.
Nah.
Can please only one.
149.
Oh, wow.
It's mad cheap. But they're really spicy. They're not. Chicken, these are better.
Yeah, I feel that. Wait, so are the nuggets still hot though?
Dude, it's pretty warm.
It's pretty warm?
Yeah. Like
Remy, can you confirm?
Like usually they're really
Cold
hot.
nuggets is fine too.
Okay, right.
Oh, right,
It's
Remy.
edible.
Okay. He's trying to eat. Remy's been trying to eat
Honestly,
the chicken nuggets.
Let's keep a count how much Remy eats. How many, like each
I wanna,
individual.
yeah, watch him like come back. He eats only like one nugget.
Yeah,
I'll be really disappointed.
Nah, I'm only building up this hype. I have to follow.
Yeah, you gotta follow through with the hype. All right, guys. So we just got back. We got all the nuggets. We cleared off this table. So now we're just gonna kind of like lay them out just to see how they look, and then we'll eat them.
Oh,
We got
2
15
laptops on top of each other?
Yeah, after this and
It's
after.
like, it's like it's gonna be a little cringe. Actually, you can just
I will do that.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna start eating the nuggets. Maybe I'll put like a timer on or something, but let's do this. All right, now we can start.
All right, this is like.
I gotta see like.
No, you're just making the whole thing. Alright, so that's our first box done. Easy. Easy money.
Look at your nose.
Is it true? Another 20 done by the boy Remy.
Easy.
I'm so hungry. Easy.
Remy's still hungry.
Alright guys, so the boy Ben is done. Another 20 piece done. And that is 100 chicken nuggets done.
Can you clean our apartment now?
Yeah, I'll clean it.
It's like light work.
And Justin's done. Good job, guys. We did it. My stomach hurts. Ugh.
Yeah, 40 more.
I'm so proud of myself.
Oh, okay, here you can stop the recording.
A chicken burger and 20 nuggets.
And McFlurry.
Alright, no one's gonna stop.
That's
Alright, we'll just have it recorded.
McFlurry.
Why don't you stop your own camera? You're the YouTuber.
I'll stop it.
Alright guys, so we just finished the 100 chicken nuggets, and I think we're actually gonna order 40 more. Alright guys, so the extra nuggets just got here. We're gonna go down and get them. But to be completely honest, my head kinda hurts because I went through the nuggets so fast, so. Alright, so I think Adam just got the extra nuggets. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys, so we just got the extra nuggets. They're right there. You got more sauces. But I think that's gonna be it.
Sauce. No ketchup.
Raw sauce. Boom.
But anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video with the 100 nuggets. It was super cool to do the video. And as always,
40.
You got another new number in it. I know what you're like. I don't really like how you're treating me, fam.
anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was super cool going to McDonald's with like 100 chicken nuggets. We just did get the other 40, so I guess we're gonna eat that. And anyway guys, as always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and peace.